Hi everyone, I'm Pam and I run the Canva Creations with Pam on Facebook. I have the Template Treehouse and the Canva Clubhouse memberships. I love Canva. So I want to teach you guys, how to maneuver in Canva, how to use Canva. And a lot of people have asked, well, can you show us the navigation? Like, where is everything? And I'm like, yeah, let's do this. So we're going to start with the main home landing page. Now I'm just going to say this. I do not go to this page very often. I have my project page bookmarked. It's just easier for me to deal with not all of this, but just my project. So just to let you know that, but that's something down the road that you can do later. Okay, so very first thing that you should always know where it is the search where you search for things, okay? And it's just right up here on the very top, right over there. You see the little thing, little search thing, magnifying glass. So this is where you can quickly search for your stuff, Canva templates, and all you just need to do is see where it says Canva templates, all your content. I'm just going to put in journal just so that, because I know I have those. So we can do a search for journal. Okay. And first thing that's going to come up is my designs. So this is my content so far. So my designs and some things that I have some journal stuff in my brand templates. And then here you go, all the Canva ones. Now, if you just want to look at all the Canva, just go ahead and click on Canva templates, and then it'll bring up all those. And you can do filters and categories. These look like different designs that you can do. So, okay, so that is one. I use this all the time. So that is just put in words, and this is why I teach my members how to word their designs, because you want to be able to find this stuff. So you're going to have to, when you name your designs, you need to use words that you will search for. Okay? So with that being said, we are going to go back to the front page, and I want to show you on the front page. You are not my projects home. Okay. See these little icons up here? Here's Instagram, Facebook, doc, whiteboard, presentation. Let's go ahead and go through a couple of these, okay? So Instagram post, it's just going to bring you to the Instagram size, okay? So that is lovely. And then it gives you some premium templates. If you're a pro, you can use these, and then all these other results down here. Now, if you have a free account and you don't want to go through all these that have these little crowns, go up to these little sliders right here. Oh, is it not going to do it for this one? Oh, shoot. Let's see here. Sorry about that. I always thought that you'd be able to, let's see, where was I? Okay, right here. Go down here. Nope, I guess not. But there's sometimes, well, I guess with elements you can do that with, but I guess not designs. Sorry, that would have been a good little thing. Like you didn't have to go through all that. But hey, my bad. Okay, so let's go back to the front page. And the Facebook page, same kind of thing. Now a doc is a little different, and people kind of get lost with this. A doc is actually like you're creating a PDF. Okay, there's a lot of stuff that you can use with the doc. I use it to create PDFs. I use it for my membership to give them all kinds of info about a product, to how to create it. I can put the video in there, I can put links in there, I can put ideas, checklists, all that. So a doc is very, like, I use it for my SOP and stuff like that. Okay. All right. Now there's a couple other different ones. A whiteboard. Now this is where you can go and just plan your stuff. I don't use it too much. However, I do know a lot of people do. So there's some examples. Like, I did use this social content calendar, which was really nice. But there's all kinds of templates you can use, okay? And you can even make mood boards. This is a nice little area to make mood boards, calendars, tasks that you want to get done. I mean, my goodness. See here, mood board. There's all kinds of your either site map. Look at all this stuff. Can you imagine? So that is what whiteboards are. I kind of think of it as planning. Okay. And then presentations, I do these a lot. These will go in my courses, challenges, presentations. Teachers can do presentations in here. Students can do presentations. And the same thing. You got templates, and there's free and pro. And you're not selling any of this, so you can use, if you have the pro, you can use any of it free. Just grab a free one, and look at there's ones that have all kinds of pages. You don't have to have a paid account to create a presentation. Okay, so lovely. All right, what else is there? So print. There's also print, like if you want to make Valentine cards, invitations, business cards, clothing. There is, like, here is clothing templates. These are t-shirts. Now you really can't, like, take these and use them to sell. Okay, these are other people's stuff, but they're giving you can use them for inspiration. You can use them for, gosh, you can use these for social media and stuff like that, but can't turn around and sell this stuff. Okay. Now, also, Canva does have a website. Yes, it is the SEO like WordPress. No, you can buy domains in Canva. I I I wouldn't. Not saying it's a bad thing. I wouldn't do it. I would go to my name sheet that I always use because I know them. But hey, and then the websites, I do show how to do this in the, like, I give templates for these in the template treehouse. They're fun to use if you do not have a website and you have maybe like freebie, or you just want for a trip and you want to share with your stuff like that. You can make a cool little website. You would just have to link out to other platforms like to PayPal, stuff like that. Okay. So, and then you can do custom size. Like if you have a particular size that you want to do, you can use it. Now you can also upload. So let me show you that real quick. I'm going to upload a PDF. Oh, oh, okay, going too fast. Going too fast. Going too fast. Okay. I want to, let's do this farmhouse chick. I don't know what that is. I think I was doing some research. Okay, so it is uploading it right now. Yeah, let's not do that one. I didn't think that was. Okay, let's do another one. My bad. See how fun it is when you're filming or taping or whatever you want to call it. Um, let's see here. We'll just go right here. Okay, so it uploaded the PDF for me, and this is just like a licensing agreement. And I would use this for, let's say, products and stuff. So, yeah, okay, we are going to go back to the home page. So you can upload PDFs into here. Now, when they come into Canva, sometimes there might be a little bit of quirks and stuff. So watch that. Make sure that you just go over it. Make sure. Okay, so let's see here. What else? Okay. So I've gone through all these right here. And then if you wanted to click on any of these, this is fine. And then we have recent designs. It just goes and goes and goes. Okay, so now we are going to go to the left hand side of Canva. Okay, and I'm going to show you some buttons here. So basically, this create a design is very similar to any of these. You will just click on this and it will give you, see, the pretty much the same things. Okay, so that is an easy button right there. Starred items. We'll get more into starring things in a different video, but when you come across things that you want to save or highlight, then you would star them. And I have some of these folders starred here because these are what I work in every week. I have my to-do this week starred very front up here so that I know what projects I need to work on. Okay, and this is a folder. Yet another video that I will go into. I do have videos about folders. I have a whole course called the Canva Clarity that just walks you through how to create folders, how to name your projects, and it's basically how to clean up your Canva and to keep it organized. Okay, so that is another video. We're just going through all this. So you got the starred stuff and then projects. This is right here. So you have home, projects, and this is the page that I bookmark. This is the page that I just go to. Okay. Now I'm actually going to just move that to trash because I don't need that. I don't need that. That's just me that I had to take those things out. So, but I showed you how to do it, huh? And so here is all your stuff. This is all yours. Your folders, your designs, your brand templates, images, videos. So all of these are stored right here. And as you can see, it's not too bad. Like it's not crazy like the front page, right? So that is why I say bookmark this one. All right, so we did the projects, templates. This is where you can just go up here and search all the templates. They do have them by category right here as well. You just keep going. And then this is kind of cool. They give you inspired by your last design. They have some Canva top picks, upcoming events. Like if you wanted to make a little quick little not April Fool's. I was reading this, St. Patty's Day, but April Fool's is coming up too, guys. So there we go. And then some docs, how I told you that they're a little different than designs. So they have some really nice docs here too, okay? And then whiteboards, and they just give you templates, and here's some new stuff. Now, if you're a pro, you can use these things for your personal stuff, no problem. Do not, and I'm going to say this for the third time, do not use the templates in Canva and turn around and sell them. Someone else created that. Now you can use it for inspiration, but you always need a blank design to start with if you're going to sell, okay? You don't want to get in trouble. All right. Now, let's see here. Next thing is brand. This is a pro feature, and this is one of the biggest reasons why you should have pro. You have brand kits, like all of them will have your logo and your colors, and I do the for I'm a pro and I can have numerous brand kits and I use them for my products. I have the TBT, I have Etsy, I have these, I was working on some fall colors, I have clients, March, template treehouse, just utilize them if you have them. Brand templates, these are things that I use pretty much every day or every week or every month. Okay, I don't want to be searching for them, so these are my blog, these are my YouTube, these are my trio images, these are some docs that I have. So yes, I use them. And then if you do have a team, there are brand controls. Okay, and then apps. Apps, if you want to find out about apps, you can search in the Facebook group, Pam Creations with Pam, if you're in there. Just type in apps, all the apps will come up. Or if you are watching this on YouTube, make sure you go to my Canva apps playlist. I have so many. There's so many cool things. I try to do it weekly. All right. So there's all kinds of different apps. You can go here and look at trending. These are ones that you can use for your social media. Here are new ones. And let me see if there's any new ones that I need to. This is kind of cool. And then, okay, I like that. Sticker maker. What? I might have to do a video on this. I haven't seen this one. All right. So there we go. Apps. And yeah, there's all kinds of apps in here. I have a couple videos, even if you want to connect your Google Drive to Canva, you can. It's an app and it makes the process of bringing images in so good. And then gradient generator, mockups, hypergradient, these are really cool things. Lottie files, oh my God, you guys. There is so much apps you can do. I would just say, hey, take some time every week and learn one. Okay? And then Canva Dream Lab. This is a new feature. You can come in here and your own. I was trying to do mock-ups and I'm creating my own mock-ups and then putting an image, not an image, but a mock-up on top of them. So let's go down here a little bit. This is funny. And then I always play with redheads. And then there's all, see, you get 500 a month, okay? So I utilize that. I was just making some backgrounds. The Dream Lab is really good at making like little cards, backgrounds, patterns. Like these can be used for journal or social media. They're like the social media guys. But up here, you can pick your sizes and then you can pick what type of image. And I always use illustration. But this, and then you have 500 if you have the pro. Okay? If you have free, I don't think there's too much. So, yet another reason why to get pro. Okay, so, and then down, let's go back to the home page. And then this is where your trash is. And it leaves every 30 days. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It's all good. But you can always go back in there and grab your stuff. All right, so now let's talk about up here. We're going to go up here to the top navigation. And right here is settings, okay? And the settings are what it's called, settings. It just needs to open. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, I guess I never put a profile picture in here. So this is a profile. Probably doesn't really need it. I'm not, no one. Yeah. So, and then I can connect my social here, which is always a good thing. And then here are apps. You have Google, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and then some other integrations. Okay. And over here too, they took this away a bit ago. Open designs in a new tab. If you want to open up in a new tab, go right, do that. Open links in a desktop. You can do all that. I just got used to just having one open. My computer doesn't like all the windows open. Okay, so, And then you have your login. So this is where you would find your password. So this is up here, guys. And then it just right here just gives you all the stuff that is in here. And then like I have messages and I get messages. Like I get a message from Canva every week. And then, yeah. And then personal privacy. And then team, these are all the teams that I am a part of. And then these are mine. And then you can turn, you have the accessibility, light, dark. You can do all the cool little things here. And then people management, I have a couple people here. And then groups, and then team profile. So those are all kind of things that if you have a team. I don't really have a team. All right, so we did the settings. Oh, hold on. Settings, you still have some more stuff here. This is also where the billing is, and then permissions, and then usage report, and security, domains, all that other stuff that still comes with this. Let's see here. User report would be kind of cool. All right, that's kind of cool. And it will show you not bad. I've never really looked into the settings back here. Okay, so we went through all the settings. Now we're going to go to notifications. And over here is everything, like if you have a team, people message you, and then reminders. They even give you a little reminder, and then comments and stuff. So that's always nice. All right, so then we have right over here. If you are on teams, other people's teams, and I'm on other people's teams because I'm a VA, and so I can go into their Canva accounts, but as me, okay. Let's see here. I want to. So these are the teams that you're connected. These are my accounts, and then you can invite people. Here's your settings. What's new? Same, and then design school, you guys. Right over here, not that many people know about this, but that you can come over here. They have a blog. They have a design school. Their videos are short and sweet. There's some events. They have some of these. I don't really use any of these because they're kind of clunky to me, but go for it, okay? And then there's some help center here, which is awesome. Education, there's some things over here, like if you're a teacher, there's some really good resources. And then new businesses. These are very, like you have some marketing creatives. They have templates just all for all these. And that is amazing. And so here we go, some design spotlights. You can learn about the video editor, YouTube video editor, stuff like this. How to do like t-shirts. What is it going to do? Is it going to do, yeah, so it has some info for you guys. See how, so that is great. All right, so let's keep going. Here, if you have some suggestions to improve Canva, you can do that. Get in the Canva apps, report content, privacy, and then sign out of all accounts. Now, I'm going to go into a project here, and let's see here. Let's just pull one up because I have one more thing to show you. Okay, so I think I have two more things to show you, but hold on. Okay, so I'm in the design. This is where I create. Okay. And you can put notes over here if you want to make sure that you get everything you need in here. Like this is where I would put you can add the name right here. Let's see here, keywords, and then it will pop over here too. And then if I want to add design notes over here, I can do that as well. Those would just be for me, but in presentations you can do that. So there is a couple places where you can ask for help. And I don't know if everyone knows where they are, okay? this little button in the bottom right hand corner, it says Ask Canva. So here you can ask Canva. It is AI powered. How can I help? How can I change a font color? It's a real simple question, and it just tells you how to do it. So if you ever have a question and you're like, oh, I don't know how to do this, go down here and see if they can help you. Now, will they hold your hand to walk you through it? Probably not. But they'll give you an idea. So if you get stumped, just go down here to that and see if you can get a little help. Over here is like it's in the other side, but left hand bottom. And it's called Quick Actions. And over here, you can search for anything you can do. Like if you're like, I need a graphic to match my design. And you know what? This would be perfect. Like, perfect. So that is a great resource as well. And you can pick the color, like you do the colors here. There's more. Let's get off that one. Okay, so you can do the pages, you can do the magic write from here, you can add text, photos to match your design. So this is a little bit of like an assistant kind of thing. Okay, now I'm going to go to the home page. Right here. And the right here is also Ask Canva. So it's a big purple button. And if you are just stuck and you just don't know what to do, you just go over here and ask, like I said. So, or you can visit their help center. All right. So I hope this helps you. I went through what the search content is. I went through what these are. I went through what is over here. And I went through what is over on top over here. And when I say here, I should probably tell you where, huh? So I went through on the top here, the search. I went through left-hand side with all this over here. I went through the middle, and then I went through the settings and the top right-hand corner over here, and then I also showed you where to ask Canva for help. Okay, so I do hope this helped you a little bit. And if you need some more help, come on over to Canva Creations with Pam. If you really want a lot of my help, then I would join Canva Clubhouse. And or if you're just wanting templates, that's you in the template treehouse. All right, you guys, thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day and come back and watch more videos. All right, thank you.